Dental bridges are a typical dental procedure to substitute missing teeth. They usually consist by putting 2 or 3 crowns placed on one end of the gap and an artificial tooth, or teeth, between. False teeth, commonly referred to as pontics, can be created from different material like titanium, aluminum, or even a mixture of all these substances. There are many types of dental bridges. These include conventional bridges, cantilever bridges, Maryland bridges, as well as implant-supported bridges. Each one has unique benefits and advantages based upon the specific requirements of each patient and needs. What exactly is the reason bridges for dental use in the first place? What are some advantages to having one? Let's explore the motives behind dental bridges and what they can do to help improve your oral health as well as your overall health and health. One of the most important reasons to get an implant-supported dental bridge is that it helps bring back the functions for your dental. The absence of teeth makes it difficult to speak and chew effectively, which could affect your general health. When you can replace your missing teeth by using a bridge made of dental material, it is possible to increase your abilities to chew and talk without limits. Furthermore, bridges for your teeth can assist in keeping the proper alignment of your teeth. They can also stop them from slipping into gap created due to missing teeth. These can help prevent problems including bite-related issues in speech, as well as TMJ issues. And keeping your teeth aligned, bridges for teeth can assist in maintaining the natural appearance of your face. It can also help to avoid an appearance that is aging. Another advantage to dental bridges is that they enhance your appearance. The absence of teeth is unappealing as well as affect your confidence and confidence in yourself. When you can replace your missing teeth by using bridges made of dental material, that you will be able to improve the look of your smile. It will make you have confidence in your appearance overall. Dental bridges also assist in spreading the pressures of your bite correctly, which could help reduce stress on your teeth. This will help reduce damage to your teeth as well as decrease the likelihood of suffering from dental issues like tooth gum disease or decay. Dental bridges can be a flexible and efficient alternative to replacing missing teeth in order to restore the function as well as aesthetics to your smile. If you're missing any or more teeth, think about talking with your dentist about the possibilities of having a dental bridge to enhance your overall oral health and living quality. The bottom line is that dental bridges are an effective device in dentistry to replace damaged teeth as well as restoring beauty and function of the smile. When you understand the benefits of dental bridges and chatting about the possibilities together with your doctor, it is possible to take a shrewd decision on whether or not a dental bridge would be your best option. Take a look at the advantages of bridges made by dental and the ways they could help improve your oral health as well as overall health before choosing to buy one for your own.